In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message on LinkedIn. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to brush up on your networking skills, this guide is designed to help you communicate effectively and professionally on one of the largest professional networks online. First things first, let's get you logged into your LinkedIn account. Head over to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you have two simple ways to log in. You can use the convenient sign in with Google option if your LinkedIn is connected to your Google account, or you can simply continue by entering your LinkedIn account details. It's a straightforward process, but remember, your first impression starts with how you navigate these basic steps. Once you're logged in and ready to go, your next step is to locate the person you want to connect with or send a message to. Look towards the top of the web page and you'll find a search bar. Here, type in the name of the person you wish to message. Precision is key. LinkedIn has millions of users, and making sure you have the right person is paramount. After you've entered the correct name, you'll see a list of profiles matching your search. Navigate through the results, and when you've identified the correct person, click on their profile. This is a crucial step. Taking a moment to verify you have the right individual can prevent potentially embarrassing situations. Upon accessing their LinkedIn profile, you might notice a lot of information and options, but what you're looking for is the View Full Profile button. This will give you access to their complete LinkedIn presence, including more details about their professional experience, skills, and most importantly, the message button. Now it's time to craft your message. Click on the message button to open a chat window. As you prepare to type your message, remember a few key pointers. Be professional, clear, and concise. Your message should have a purpose, whether it's inquiring about a job opening, seeking professional advice, or simply expanding your network. A well thought out message stands a much better chance of receiving a positive response. And there you have it. That's how you send a message on LinkedIn. This process may seem simple, but each step is an opportunity to demonstrate your professionalism and attention to detail. Whether you're messaging a potential employer, a new connection, or a long-time colleague, taking the time to do it right can make all the difference in your professional communication. Happy networking!